I'm not even sure what exactly this part of it is. I'm not real sure whether it's worth me trying to mess with it and take it apart, or do I throw that right in my shred pile? I don't think that's a copper motor. I think it's more like an oil reservoir. So yeah, it's more like just for oil. That's a hydraulic oil. It's got some goodness down here, but is it worth taking that little bit of stuff off there? I mean, maybe this piece if I can get it off, but all that other stuff looks like shred to me. So straight to the shred pile. Oh, I'm leaking my fluid all over my truck. For me, this is really all I cared about was this big motor, and which I'm getting ready to start pulling apart as we speak. So that's my next deal. I'm pulling it right to my tailgate. I don't know if I want to move it anywhere, or even try to move it anywhere, because once it hits the ground, it's there. I'll be bending over. So this, from what I can see, oh, oil everywhere on me. Oh my goodness, that's the only thing I don't like about this kind of stuff. Oh, it's a little oily. Well, that's what I don't like about it. Damn it. Don't even mess with it most of the time. Just gets all over me and every daggum thing else. All right, so my tailgate is just nothing but oil from carrying oil stuff in here. It's insanity. All right, let's get this thing out here where I can do something with it, guys. I'm hoping this video turns out halfway good. I'm gonna try just start taking this thing apart. Little booger. All I had to do was push it in and out, grease it up some. Kind of worked. Now, next step, let me see if I can get that pin right there so this wheel will come off. That's the only way I can see that motor is going to come off of here, because I got to get the 4 bolts that's on there. So this has to come off. So I'll see you guys in a minute when I get it figured out. Wheel this way, and the other way wasn't working. All I can tell you, the other way was not working. Now I gathered myself up a... Wait, come on. Oh man, I thought I had you. Oh, I thought I had you. All right. Now I got all these tools over here. And what's next? Yes, sir, it could be. Oh man, it's all I wanted to get done. Oh yeah, see, I'll shred that. Yeah, if I have to. If I can get it off, I will, but I don't think so. That pulley's not cutting. Oh, the whole plate will come off. Yeah, let's see how that works. I'll figure out if it's worth it. But this is all we were looking for today. Look at that beauty. Golly. A little bit of a beast, guys. A little bit of a beast. All right, let's keep going.
The hand's not gonna come off. I'm gonna pull the whole guts out. Hold on, I still got another step. 2 more screws. Number 3 Phillips, maybe. Pretty good feeling at this point. I can take that stator out of there.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice little piece right there. Yeah. But my scrapyard doesn't like giving me anything more than shred for that. Yep, it's nothing but shred. Wow, look at this pretty thing in there. I know everybody's like, well, yeah, how you gonna get it out of there, Grandpa? Well, there's only real one good way. Let's see if I can share it with everybody today. It's heavy. That outside case is heavy. I'm going to pull up a little bit. I'm going to back up to that spot right there so that I can drop that motor on this piece of steel. So when I hit it, doesn't have any give. I don't think anything on here is gonna fall off my truck. Let's move it. It's scratched. My grinder cut that right in two. I've seen people pound on them things forever. Cut it right in two. Wow. It's gonna be a job getting the copper out of that bad boy. If you want to find out how to do it, go over to the Copper Catcher's channel. He gets these big motors like this. He cuts them. He's got a puller. Pretty cool. I wish I had that machine because it's about 4.5 inches across right there, maybe more. Plus another 2 on each end. It's pretty long. Miscellaneous steel there, so we got quite a bit of heavy steel here. It's cast steel, so I'm not going to get much more for it than what I'm going to get from my shred, more than likely. Rotors, on the other hand, I get a penny, sometimes 2 pennies more. But this bad boy is big. Now I got to figure out how to take care of it. That's like them pool pump type thing there. Haven't decided whether I'm going to take the copper out of that or not. Have not decided, but I'm gonna do something with it. All right, guys, scrap my grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? Well, I do have this big motor here. I got this big motor here. We got to do something with both of them. But then again, we got a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, a lot of stuff to do. So stick around. If you'd like to see a lot of stuff to get to be done eventually, stick around. And we're gonna move some for the rest of the day. I've got some golf cart motors still here. It's got to come apart, and they got some big copper in them. Got these Mercedes-Benz heads that need to be put properly over there. Yeah, so I think today, the rest of the day, I'm just gonna spend moving some things around, kind of organized a little bit better. So probably won't film that part. So listen, guys, you know what's the deal. Make sure you ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video. We'll see you on the next one. What's next? Whew. Well, I'd love to get that copper out of there without even taking the middle. So what's next? Oh my goodness. All right. See what we got here. Hammer. I think I got what I need. Yes. Come off there. I got what I need. All right there. That's what I want. All right there, and the rest of it. I like that. The rest of it, it's out of here. The rest of it's out of here. Shred along with this. All right. Hey, once you get taking them apart. All right, so this one still has the outer casing on it, and I am still plugged in. Oh, I don't have my face guard. All right, not working without my face guard, not on this. That's right, I'll throw that in my motors. I'm gonna throw this in my motors. Oh, what time is it? 2:12 in the afternoon on a Saturday. I might just go in and watch the news the rest of the afternoon. Get my fix. It's been a good day. Really good day. Really enjoyed myself. So I think it's time to start cleaning up. I call this a successful day. What do you think, guys? Successful? I got some stuff done. All this stuff was not near as hard as I thought it was going to be. So literally everything was easier than I thought. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, that grinder, very handy. Trust me, that was a handy part. I'm not gonna lie about that. Okay, yeah, so tools, my tools out of here. I'm putting up, guys, for the day. I hope you all had a blessed day scrapping with Grandpa, hanging out with me. I appreciate it. And if you've seen anything in the video that you like, please leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Whew, I still got more work cut out for me, but I'm getting close.